Hello everyone, today we are beginning a journey into the world of plant nutrients. Plants survive in a fundamentally different way from animals. While animals must consume organic matter for energy, plants produce their own energy and byproduct through photosynthesis. In this process, they build unique cellular structures. To complete this life cycle, plants require specific chemical elements. Let's dive into essential components that sustain plant life. Plant nutrients are primarily classified into essential nutrients and non-essential nutrients. Essential nutrients are elements that a plant cannot live without. They are indispensable for completing the life cycle and no other element can replace their specific function. On the other hand, we have non-essential nutrients. These are not strictly essential for all plants, but they can significantly enhance growth or environmental stress resistance in certain species. For example, silicon is crucial for rice to strengthen its cell walls against pests, and sodium, cobalt, or selenium can provide specific physiological advantage to certain plants. Essential nutrients are further divided based on the amount a plant requires. The standard threshold is 0.5 gram per kilogram of total solids on a dry weight basis. First, let's look at macronutrients. These are required in relatively large quantities. Non-mineral nutrients, carbon, hydrogens, and oxygen. These are unique because plants obtain them from air and water, not necessarily from the soil. Mineral macronutrients. This group includes nitrogens, potassium, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and sulfur. These are the big players that form the backbone of plant structure and energy transfer. Next, we have micronutrients, also known as trace elements. These include chlorine, iron, boron, magnesium, zinc, copper, nickel, and molybdenum. Though they are needed in tiny amounts, they are far from minor. Their primary role is enzyme activation. They act as catalysts for complex metabolic processes. Without these trace elements, the plant's internal machinery would simply stop working. A fundamental principle in plant nutrition is Lebesgue law of the minimum. This law teaches us that plant growth is not controlled by the total amount of resources available, but by the scarcest resource. Imagine a wooden barrel with staves of different heights. The water level can only rise as high as the shortest stave. Even if you provide an abundance of nitrogens, if boron is missing, the plant's growth will be limited by the deficiency. Furthermore, even with high-quality fertilizers, factors like soil salinity, heavy metals, soil pH, and physical soil structure can prevent plants from absorbing these nutrients effectively. This is why plants sometimes struggle even when you provide plenty of fertilizer. In the past, fertilization focused almost exclusively on increasing the final yield. However, modern agriculture is shifting its focus. Today, we prioritize environmental stewardship, preventing soil and groundwater pollution from over-fertilization. We also focus on the quality of the harvest, ensuring the plants are nutrient-dense and flavorful rather than just large. In our upcoming video, we will explore the specific deficiency symptoms of each nutrient and learn how to apply the right amount of fertilizer for a healthy garden.